Hello everybody. My video I'm going to be going over how to create a view using the Solaris database. I pre-written the view instructions just for time saving purposes. The first phase is essentially selecting the particular database that you want to use. And I kind of work a little bit backwards. Obviously we're going to create the view and name it. But the main thing is selecting a query that you want to reflect the information for that particular view. In this instance, I will be counting the number of hours spent at certain locations and just displaying them by location name. So this will be useful for maintenance requests, just to see overall how many hours have been spent for servicing those condo units. So starting out here, I went ahead and selected and created the count. So we're going to be totaling the number of spent hours and naming it as total hours using an alias, and showcasing the location name. Because the location name is in a different table, I will need to go ahead and join two tables to get that corresponding information. So the first thing is selecting from the original table, which is the service request table that has the spent hours. From there, I will go ahead and connect the condo unit table with the condo ID. So the service request table and the condo unit table both have a condo ID. From there, I'll go ahead and locate the location table and link the location number to the corresponding condo unit table. The last thing is optional, but I like to group my results by location name so I can easily tally up the totals. From there, now that you've created the initial query, you can essentially create the view, name it, and then it's going to look towards this query when you run it. So let's go ahead and select that and execute. You have two actions available, so using the correct database, then creating the view. Now that we created the view, we can go ahead and locate the results by just selecting from the total service hours view. As you can see here, we have a total of 4 hours spent for the Bayside location and 6 hours spent for the Oceanside location. If for any reason you made a mistake creating the view, you can essentially drop that view by typing drop view total service hours. This will essentially undo what you did, and so if you go ahead and try to select this once again, you're going to get an error message saying that this table does not exist. The view is essentially a temporary table coinciding with the current information that you listed here. Once it's been dropped, that information is not available unless you rerun this query. This can be very useful in terms of just gathering information and common items that you need to reference by or review. So it's something to keep saved in your database so you can easily access and run that information at a similar rate. Alright, that concludes my video for this week. Thank you, everybody.